Okay, so for problem 32-15, this is an impairment of a singular asset. No? Siguro ang mas issue dito, alin sa dalawang fair value yung gagamitin natin. So, siguro pag-usapan na natin at this point. No? So, yung 3,006,000 hindi pwedeng gamitin kasi undiscounted cash flow po siya. So, hindi siya yung value in use. No? Kasi yung value in use, dapat yung future cash flows, di-discount mo to its present value. So, ang cash in use po, value in use rather, is 3,007,000. Yung nakikita mo dyan na fair value with in-use premise. At yung fair value less cost to sell naman po, yung 3,005,000, no, with in-exchange premise. Now, let's use that to our solution. So, ang carrying value ng asset is 4 million, computed by multiplying 5 million by 8/10, no? Kasi sabi sa problem, it was bought for 5 million noong January 1, 2023. Tapos ini-impair mo siya December 31, 2024. So that's 2 years. Kaya ang matitira sa depreciable amount niya, 8 years. So 8/10, no? So 4 million. And as I have said, ang gagamitin natin is 3,700,000. Kaya ang impairment natin is 300,000. So yun po.